to my channel. Today I'm gonna unbox a budget phone under 7,000 rupees. There are so many people like they're not interested to give even 8,000 rupees. But no, today I'm gonna unbox the phone which is under 7,000 rupees. That's none other than Redmi 9A. Come on guys, let's unbox it. So guys, this is a Redmi 9A. I purchased it from Amazon Prime. So let's open the box. Yes guys, I purchased the variant of 2GB 32GB and it cost me of 6,799 rupees yesterday. Yeah guys, and I purchased it in blue color guys. It's a sea blue color. Yeah, so this is the box. I'll keep it aside, and that's the bill, and keep all aside guys. And next comes the box. First we see the 32GB and 5000 mAh battery, and backside comes 6.53 dot display and 5000 mAh battery with 10 watts fast charger and 13MP rear camera and Helio G25 with Hyper Engine 1.0 guys. Yes guys, it's a nice processor. It's a basic usage processor. It's a multitasking. It's a sea blue color as I said, 2GB 32GB. And these are all the specifications guys. Let's open the box. And before opening, let's see what side also. It's a Redmi 9A, and here also it's Redmi 9A. And let's open it guys. Yes guys, and let's open the seal. Yeah, first we found the phone here, the Redmi 9A, and it's in the blue color with a single camera backside. Let's keep the mobile aside guys, and let's see what's inside the box. And while going into the box, we find a small box over there, and it's a SIM ejection pin over there. And when we go inside, it's a small user manuals over there. We don't find any TPU case given in the box. And let's see what's inside more. And there is a travel adapter, and it's of 10 volts adapter guys. It's a 10 watts fast charger. Yes guys, and next let's see the cable, what cable it is. Yes guys, and this is the micro USB cable guys. It's a downgrade for this phone. We don't find any type C cable. It's a micro USB cable, but also we can expect a little bit from nice budget phone. And let's come back to the phone guys, and this is the phone. Let's take it out. It's a nice phone guys. It's nice, and backside's a rough design we are having here. It's a rough design. We see have Redmi labeling over there, and down we see a speaker gill, micro USB port, and voice cancellation mic, and it's a triple card SIM tray, and it's a 3.5mm jack. It's on off button, and volume up and down button. It's 13MP rear camera, a torch, and it's a rough design guys. We don't find any scratches on the phone. And coming on the front, we are having a 5MP selfie camera. Let's peel off that plastic layer on the phone. Yes guys, I peeled off the case. Let's boot the phone. Powered by Android. It's MIUI. It's the latest version guys. It's MIUI 12 guys. MIUI 12, it's the latest version. Let me set up the phone fast. As known before, the Xiaomi phones take more time for setting up. When we try to boot the phone, it takes more time as usual compared to another phones. Xiaomi take more time, guys. And the in-hand feeling is also nice, guys. It's a 6.53-inch display. It's very big size in the hand. If the user is having a small hand, it's tough to handle this phone. But according to my hand, it's perfect for me. You can also check by comparing your hand size. And it's a nice phone, guys. Let's see what's more inside. So I'm going to set up this phone, and yes, guys, I booted up the phone. It's a nice animation, and these are all the pre-installed apps they are over there. And guys, we are having all the games and those social media apps over there. If you are not interested, you can even uninstall the apps. And guys, let's check the software information on the Android version. It's MIUI 12 based and it's of Android 10, guys. This mobile content comes with Android 10 version. Yes, guys, Android MIUI 12. And let's go back. Let's check the camera quality. Yes, guys, it's my Rubik's Cube. Let's check the pic of that. Yes, guys, I took the photo of the my cube, and the sound is also nice. Quality is good. And let's check the face unlock. Yes, guys, the face unlock works fast, but not as Redmi 8A Dual. As I should say that this is the next model of Redmi 8A and 8A Dual, guys. But compared to that, Redmi 8A works fast according to the face unlock. You don't find any fingerprint given there. Yes, guys, and overall the phone is nice, guys. If you're interested, you can buy. I'll provide the links. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you, guys. Bye.